Qingdao SG Global Packaging Company Limited is a produce and trade combined supplier of polypropylene and polyethylene other packing goods. Exporting rate is about 60%. With production capacity of our goods reach 20,000 MTS per year, we are the member of Chinese Packaging Association and certificated by TUV, SGS, CE, and FDA. Through many years exporting experience of EU and USA, we are one of the professional manufacturer of the below products from China, which including PP and BOPP woven bags, both tubular and flat fabrics, PE tarpaulins, virus poly mesh bags and fabrics, nonwoven fabric. As to quality, firstly, all the goods are made by raw material with high strength and durability. Secondly, we have strict quality control system. All products will be checked carefully at least 3 times during the start, middle, and before loading. Our main markets are Europe, North America, South America, Australia, some Africa, and Asian countries. We do our best to provide stable quality goods manufactured by up-to-date facilities and develop a variety of products at a competitive price to give our customers good satisfaction in every respect. We assure not only steady production capability, but also continuously increasing the quality of products and on-time shipments. Any more requirements, please feel free to contact us anytime for your needs.